second product which I got from them is this hair pack, and this has to be my favorite hair pack in recent times because it just made my hair feel very smoother and softer after application. Please, without any doubt, go for this hair pack. This is one of the best products I have used in recent times, which is like handmade and pure and organic. And I have used quite a lot of other hair packs, but this one is really love. I would absolutely recommend this hair pack to all of you, and this is my honest opinion. Trust me guys, this comes at a price of $4.80. It will stay for quite some time. And also one more thing which I want to recommend about this brand is it comes in glass bottles. Man, I mean, this is really adorable because they are just a startup and they have startup with this glass bottle, which are lovely, eco-friendly, and you can even reuse these bottles in your kitchen. So yeah, absolutely recommend this hair pack. Please do check this out.